Making our miso ginger salmon today. Now we've got all the ingredients together for our marinade. Let's go ahead and mix these up. You want to keep your marinade relatively firm. You don't want it watery, so that's why we've really limited the amount of liquid that we're putting in here. You'll see it's almost like a paste, and as we mix it up, it stretches it out a little bit. So that's really the consistency that you want. Kind of like almost like a pudding. Keeping it that thick will allow it to adhere to the salmon thoroughly. You're going to take a baggie. This is the greatest thing in the world for marinating. Take your marinade and spoon it into the baggie, like so. Make sure you get every little tasty bit. And then take the salmon that we've already cut. Don't need any other seasoning on the salmon. This is just as it came from the market. Pop that into your marinade. Seal up the bag. Leave a little bit of air in it. And then gently coat your salmon. It's important that you do this gently. Otherwise, you can break up the tender fish. Take it and flatten it out a little bit, like I have here. And then we're going to take and burp this to eliminate the air. Because if you eliminate the air, it will help infuse the flavor more into anything that you're marinating, be it fish, turkey, pork, any kind of meat product that you want. This is a great way to marinate. So there we go. We're going to take this now and pop this into our refrigerator because we need to keep our fish cool, and then we'll be back in a minute to go on and start preparing the rice dish.